case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Jeffrey Allen Steil, a man with a history of severe psychiatric problems, found himself at the center of a landmark case in 1990. Diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia and mixed substance abuse, Steil was deemed mentally unfit to stand trial for illegal possession of a sawed-off shotgun. His medically confirmed mental disease and threat to society propelled the case into the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit. Steil's mental health history was undeniably grim. He faced auditory hallucinations, made a suicide attempt, and committed acts of bestiality, eventually leading to the death of his pet dog. Owing to these circumstances, the court placed him under the Attorney General's custody. Despite active attempts, no suitable institutional placement was found for Steil. Unable to find a suitable placement for Steil and concerned for society's safety, the government filed a petition. They sought to evaluate Steil's mental health and asked the court to indefinitely commit him to psychiatric treatment under the custody of the Attorney General. This petition was based on Section 4246, legal provision allowing the indefinite hospitalization of mentally ill individuals deemed a high risk to society. Witnesses, including the chief of psychology at the FMC and Steil's case manager, testified to his ongoing mental instability and dangerous behavior. In the lower court, the government's petition was granted despite a contrary recommendation from the magistrate. The court upheld the lower court's decision to indefinitely commit Steil to psychiatric hospitalization under the Attorney General's care. A consensus of 5 mental health professionals reiterated Steil's dangerousness, providing the court with clear and compelling evidence for its ruling. The court also emphasized the necessity for the government to conduct annual mental health evaluations of Steil, as well as attempts to place him in a suitable institution, fulfilling its statutory duties. The United States v. Steil case not only set a precedent for similar future incidents, but also underlined the government's role as a benign custodian, responsible for the medical and psychiatric care of inmates diagnosed with severe mental illnesses. The court hoped that Steil would soon be placed in a state institution best suited to his needs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.